Natima, nothing. Pewe. Then was he gonna say? Rasa pina natima. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, welcome, and kindly, if you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. This day today, I'm coming live and clear. I'm shooting this video all the way from the village over here in Kenya, Africa, and I'm just peeping from a beautiful, amazing window that just sees the best nature in the morning. And actually, I say, guys, welcome back to our village. This is my village, and this is Nyabohanse, to be specific, near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. I really appreciate your love and support, guys. When I say welcome, I say welcome. I'm shooting this video from my bedroom. Just woke up and just doing this way, and things moves on so nice. That's our Wi-Fi, our main Wi-Fi. I just hang it out there because for now I don't have a best place to just put it, but some days when I'll be back fully nicely, I'll just put it all, link it to a place where I'll just be very nice. But for now, this is it, and it's tapped to the living room. So today I'm so much happy and I'm so much humbled to be at home and to feel at home again, and to feel again and again and again and again. So today I'm receiving some visitors, and I'm just wanna go out and just do some little shopping. And also today I want to show you our daily activities over here. And also it's kind of my last days in my village. Some days one has to resume to something else, but without that, it just come to the end. Please pay much attention, watch the video to the end, and I want to see what's going on around. Oh, nobody in there. Nobody in the body of Kadu. Nobody now, yo. Guys, let's stop for that. Guys, let's stop that because I usually love cool and just small music, not too loud, but just music, cool music like that one. And little dance, It's just Congolese, most Congolese music and other styles. Okay, stop it, man. That way. Oh, no. Okay, that way. And also, guys, we have a guest, and I want to introduce to you our guest. Actually, he's also a YouTuber, but we do some homestays here with him. So kindly, if you are new on this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Let me put on lights because I think, okay, I can add more light, yeah, so that the room can be more lighter. So also you can see him, you can see me very well, and also everything will be okay. So this is our beautiful home. For now we are doing some cleaning, and here is our guest. Hey, mister.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Morning, honey.
You good?
I'm good.
You fine?
Yes.
Yes, guys, this is our guest over here. He traveled all the way. He'll give you a story, a little story about him, and then we wanna continue going out because it's early morning and I'm shooting this video, and I was like, it could be very bad for me passing with the camera, and also he's a content creator. As I proceed to my work, and I'll be like, hey, if you're the crowd, can't give me a shout out. Introduce yourself, mister.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
Guys, I'm Roger Skillia.
Yes.
On my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Roger Skillia.
Yes.
I'm from Kisi Town.
Yes.
So I gave a visit to my brother here,
Yes.
Claude Joseph.
Absolutely.
Yes.
You're highly welcome, guys. He's Roger Skillia.
Yeah.
And he has really traveled, guys, all the way from Kiss with a motorbike to this place over here.
Yeah.
What are you having, Rogers?
I'm having a breakfast.
Yes.
And it's bread.
Yes.
And coffee.
And coffee.
Yeah.
You requested coffee.
Yeah.
You don't want to take milk?
I don't take milk.
Oh, you don't take milk?
I don't take milk.
Okay.
So I prefer
Black
coffee, black coffee,
yes,
than milk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy, mister.
Thank you.
We'll do more videos over here.
Yeah.
Guys, actually, he has really traveled, you know, like, despite that he has a challenge with the leg,
yeah,
he's using this. You can just imagine, like, that pushes you, like, I wanna go no matter what. No,
yes,
no matter what will drag me behind. No, this can't, even the situation that I am with, it can't drag me behind. Let me just go and go and go. That's what we call like chasing dreams.
So
yeah,
yes,
man.
I got an accident 1 year and like 5 months ago.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm a driver by profession.
Yes.
So as I was driving a car, and in a bad lucky,
Yeah.
I got an accident.
Oh.
That's why I broke my leg.
Yeah.
But I'm now recovering.
You're now recovering.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do more videos, guys. Please kindly, he's actually running towards the watch hours. His name is Rogers Kilia.
Yes.
And Kilia is Kilia.
Yes.
Kilia.
Yes.
Kilia. All right,
Yes.
man. Enjoy, mister.
Thank
How
you.
is how is it over here? Is it too cold? Is it warm?
No.
Yeah.
The climate here is very stable.
Are you enjoying staying with us?
I'm enjoying.
You're happy.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Just say
Even
you're honest.
sleeping, I slept very well.
Are you recommending others maybe to come and stay with us?
Let them visit here. And I got a warm welcome.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, man. Thank you. Enjoy. Let me rush to the town.
Okay.
And I wanna see what's going on around.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
All right. So just feel free if you wanna just go out. Just go out. You can make videos over here.
Okay.
Because baby for now she isn't yet awakened.
Yeah.
But the moment she's awake,
Yeah.
you can continue doing some vlogs with her as I come by.
It's okay.
All right. So guys, let me just put some music a little bit, and I check my specs. Because people will be like, "How today you don't have specs? Oh, how do you look?" Now I can see you well, guys. Okay, music is there. Enjoy little by little. Okay, so guys, let's head out and we wanna see what's going on around. So okay, always close the door behind us, and it's a fine morning. The sun is scorching the rays. It's rays outside, which is very nice. Actually, he traveled with this motorbike, guys. You can imagine, all the way from Kisi to this point. And here is our Porsche motorbike, and here is our lovely wife. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
And how do you do?
I'm doing fine,
Okay,
thank
I know
you,
you're singing the
teacher.
song.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Introduce yourself.
Been having guys
Yes.
in the village.
Mm-hmm.
Road to 10,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Kindly subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Yes.
It's another beautiful morning.
Mm-hmm.
We're supposed to go buy some things.
Mhm.
I think today, I don't know if we'll have visitors.
Mhm.
I'm not so sure, but yeah. So we have some friends coming over.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of visits.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we need to go and get
The soldier,
buffalo
foot
and
soldier, hey, in the house of America,
Dreadlocks Rasta.
Red Lennox Rasta, hey, in the house of America.
Caribbean. Survival.
Hey, and they're hunting for them,
I don't know.
for what?
Why
Buffalo, so she's the buffalo soldier,
Soldier.
in the heart of America. She's
the
here.
heart of the Caribbean.
Hey.
America or Caribbean?
It's America. You sing Buffalo soldier da-da-da-da, in the house of America,
Allah,
and then she
waiting for survival. Something like that.
fighting for survival. Hey, and don't know what
for the
the
Caribbean.
Caribbean. Oh yeah, hey. Yeah. That's one of the best songs I usually like. Sid Ranks. Those little songs like that one. Another one. It's never too late for man rest and wait. By the time that he wake up, the time he will arise. You know what?
What?
That's the time.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's never too late, Minhawi. Don't worry. Everything has its own time.
Amen.
It's never too late. Today you might get to where you're going this way. But it's never too late, guys.
Oh.
For a man who patiently wait, by the time he'll wake up, he'll arise. And that's Claude. It's never too late.
It's never too late.
Yeah, for sure. And the soldier herself, goody. Make sure you don't be arrested with this combat.
In Kenya, they don't arrest people with this.
Make a mistake.
Maybe in
crossing.
Tanzania.
If you
But
make a
Kenya-
mistake crossing to Tanzania with this combat,
they're sold everywhere.
hey,
Everywhere.
I'm now having a soldier, guys. I'm so
So
comfortably
play with
walking.
me.
Eh?
I'll go stay with you. Dush, dush.
Shoot them haters. Alright, guys. So just joke. Just don't give them time, man. Just don't give them
Me,
time.
you know me, I give them time on my channel.
I don't give them even attention, even a little attention.
They're little attention.
I don't give them.
They don't deserve it.
Because I know some days they'll change. Because it's a matter of time. The moment the arrows will point down, they'll come back and apologize and say, we are sorry. But for now, the arrows are up. Now they are laughing and it's evergreen. But the moment it will be gray and it's down, they will come back and say,
like,
come in, Howie, can we do a collab? My channel is dead. I want you to resurrect it.
Resurrect the channel for me.
Kindly, can you help me? But it will be too late for them. Yeah, so guys, kindly let's go to town. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You want to go to town?
I didn't want to go, guys. He told me to go with him.
Yeah, you have to go with me because it has been a long time.
He doesn't want me to walk. He doesn't like, but the guys, this guy here doesn't like me walking at all.
How can you walk when we have a
for
Porsche?
very long time, when I want to go somewhere, he wants like, let's go. We have a lot of things to do today, a lot of things, and we have a deadline because tomorrow we have a big event. No, a big something happening, not event. So I hardly walk. So he wants, even when I like, no, let's go. And if was today is
guys, let me tell you one thing. Can you treat your wife as a slave, just walking randomly in the street, walking randomly? Even her legs can become hard. Whenever you have a car and you have your wife, treat her well. Not that you have your car or your motorbike and you let other people sit on it and your wife is walking how. No. Come, sit, we go.
We have a guest in our Airbnb, guys.
Yeah, in our homestay.
In our homestay. Sorry, not our Airbnb, in our homestay. So I wanted to stay back and take care of the guest. Like, no, let's go. The guest will be okay.
Yeah,
but then
okay.
Now the guest is okay. We prepared breakfast. So let's go and get some things for other guests that are coming in today.
Absolutely. We see you. Always. I'm telling you, blessings follow you. Blessings follow you. Alright guys, let's run and see.
Have you shown them new border?
No, you know now for now it's too young. If we show no. Alright guys, it's too young for now. This dog, no. Actually you want to tell us about the dog, but the dog is too young. I wanna. Alright guys, let's see you as we're heading. It's a silent machine, guys. You see? Just bring them how it's breathing. It's a silent machine. It's a silent machine. No much noise. Show them the lights. So guys, let's go and let's go back to the town. All right. So guys, we are loaded a little bit and we are in town. We have just done our little shopping, just having some food with our friends, have some visitors that are coming, and then from there we can see what we're just going to have on this other side. So today is a busy day and this is Sirari. A lot of tourists are here, guys. That is the granny dancing whenever she sees me with the camera. Hip, hip, hop, so forward, march, hip, run. Good morning.
How are you?
How are you? You good? Hey, nowadays even your hand is soft, baby. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You're good.
You're fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Hey guys, look at her smooth skin. Yeah. I wish my daughter can have this skin, and I know very well that she will have. I know when I'll have a daughter. I'm craving for grandma's skin. Look, guys, it's shining. Hey. Yeah. Help! Salute for the king. Yes. For the match we see. Unakaa wapi bibi? Ukalisha wapi? Pale kwa jua.
Pale maji hapo.
Aya, hapa hakuna maji. That's how my granny is. Always very jovial. Love this woman. I love this woman. Yeah? But whenever she's sick, I have no peace. Whenever she's sick, I have no peace. But whenever this way, she can even run. Diana, do you see this grand? Yes. Nowadays, the past and now. The past, she was bitter.
She's strong right now.
She's strong right now. Yeah. Hey. But the other time, Peter amekataa usimtume. Amekataa hataki kazi.
Kazi ya hapa.
Amesema amepata kazi.
Amepata kazi kwa Mahingira. Bado kwa Mahingira hapa anaenda kunichukulia kile kitu ni kwa Mahingira.
Si unitume niende.
Hapa chini. Haya.
Ama unataka tuende?
Wapi? Huko chini.
Si unatembea hadi huko na siako nafikanga huko peke yako. Unaenda kufuata ugoro wapi?
Hapa chini kwa.
Imagine guys, this woman walks like it's like 2 to 3 kilometers, right Diana? Baka huko chini. She walks 2 to 3 kilometers alone nowadays. This way. To go and find her medicine, her local. There's a little thing that we usually give her. Like she sniffs a little, so she usually walk with it that way up to that place, which is very good. She does some exercise. Okay. Hiya, baby. Bye. Hapo. She says here, another time here. Hiya, baby. Her favorite chair. You cannot give her any chair. So guys, we're having breakfast over here. Having milk with tea. Or tea with milk. Over here. Those days back I used to be asked when I visit somebody's home, do you want to jam or brewband? I've never heard about jam. I don't know what brewband is. But nowadays I laugh at the table some days to give thanks. I can just apply brewband a little bit. Like soft life, right? Like this, like this, like this. We mask here. Jam. Is it jam or what?
Jam.
Jam or jam?
It depends with where you went to school.
So I put a little bit. Yeah.
So, there.
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Good morning.
So, oops.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning to you.
How are you?
I'm good, bro.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Yes.
Yes, hey guys. Welcome back to Roger's Kids channel.
Yes.
My name is Claude Joseph.
Yeah.
And in case you're from my end over here, kindly feel free to subscribe to Roger's Kids channel.
Yeah.
He's our guest,
Yeah.
and he's with us over here. He's also a content creator.
Yeah.
And we've seen guys how he works. He's really doing very great.
Yeah.
So he's a guy who you worthy, your subscription worthy actually, because there's that person you can see and they say, no, there's not subscription. My subscription here is not going in a miss. But to you, actually it's worthy, because you are hardworking.
Thank you, bro.
And actually you do a very great vlogs.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm having breakfast here.
Yeah.
I hope you have taken breakfast, mister.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So
Did you enjoy it?
Very true.
very
I enjoyed it.
So
Yeah.
with me, I'm having here my breakfast.
Yeah.
I'm trying to live this life, a little bit, because now we can say this is not my dream.
Yeah.
Because the dream is big.
Oh, yeah.
We always dream big.
Yeah.
So whenever I'm seeing this, I'm like, hey, I'm now revenging in another way, because those days back.
Yeah.
You didn't have this.
We never had this. We used to eat sweet potatoes, cassavas, and sometimes maybe we could be told, what is jam?
Yeah.
We used to have these friends at school
Who
comes with something like this, and we think we can
just
just
the big families.
Yeah, we eat now them, So nowadays I see them here and I'm like, oh my God, I give thanks.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of revenging a little bit
Very
with also bread, but not in a bad way.
That's great.
So feel free at home.
Yeah.
Kindly guys subscribe to his YouTube channel,
Yes.
and I really appreciate your love and support.
Yeah.
And more contents coming.
Yeah.
And keep up. You are doing a real good job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, and also you with my wife.
Hi guys.
Hey guys, so we are heading to our land. So from here, because we just came back home, and now we are heading to our land. It has been so long time ago before my lovely wife goes to the land, because since the other time until now. So are you happy? Okay, hold this now. You go.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Introduce yourself and tell people how you feel walking.
People have not seen me.
No.
They saw me.
Do you know you're going to miss me more.
Guys, this guy has the intentions of leaving me behind. Like he's going somewhere without me, and it's not even funny. Anyway, guys, this is his lovely future wife, me and Howie. Yeah, so kindly subscribe, like, and share. Of course, in the village it rained cats and dogs yesterday, guys. Can you imagine? It really rained, and we are blessed to have rain. It means that it's planting season soon. So we are heading to a piece of land, guys, to go and see what's happening there. We have other things that we're going to do. So let's rush there and enjoy the video.
And also, you know, it's what we call like people are preparing. Also, it's harvesting time, and at the same time people are preparing their land to start also new plantation. So people have already harvested, and also others are preparing their lands for harvesting. So let's all go and see what's going on around. All right.
Guys, we're at our farm. Yeah, so we're opening our gates. Hey?
At least the padlock has been damaged. Kufuri iliharibika. Mimi nikaharibu wapi?
The padlock is damaged.
Yeah, but it can close. Sinafunga lakini.
Oh, okay. That's cheap then. It's not good quality.
It's a good quality. It's only that.
If the padlock can get spoiled like that, it's
No,
not
it's
good
not
quality.
spoiled. Who told you that it's spoiled? Welcome to our home, to La Villa, to CJ's estate. And this is how we open the gate. Welcome to CJ's estate. I heard people saying Claumin.
Claumin.
Yeah, Claumin estate. Welcome to La Villa.
Thank you, Mono.
Hey,
Thank you, Rasid.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Guys, this is our land. And this is... Hey, you're pushing me as if you want to sit.
I was sliding, no.
Come we go, we see the vicinity. You know, the problem with you, the moment you see a chair, everything just...
I wanna sit.
You wanna be rich, I wanna be famous,
I wanna have lots of money.
and make my mama proud. Now me, I wanna
be free,
Hey,
like Nelson Mandela. Stand tall like a pyramid, so courageous. There's no place I'd rather be. Oh na na na,
oh na na na,
no place I'd rather be.
oh la la la.
Live and die in Africa.
Yeah, yeah.
I wanna live and die in Africa.
Yeah, yeah.
I wanna live and die in Africa.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You know, even if the villagers will be like, who is this guy? Guys, I'm having a...
Now these people, why are they passing here?
I think this is where they sneaked to come and harvest the maize. Hey, mister. I'm seeing here the Vicinia, guys.
I'm fine.
Hey, mister, long time.
Eh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm very much fine.
Yes. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome back to Claude YouTube channel.
Yes.
I go by the name Devicinia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, yes, the Vicinia.
You even upload videos.
You even upload
Yeah, I do
videos, Dave.
upload videos.
Hey, when last did you upload a video, the Vicinia? The rake has damaged.
Yeah.
This is our rake.
I
guys.
thought you are the one who damaged it.
No, maybe.
You're not the one.
So guys, welcome back. We are here at our dreamland, and the Vicinia was just removing some stuffs that have been here on this land where they were doing actually planting maize, and this is how everything is. I'm saying you are doing a very great job. Yeah, very good job actually. We will miss you when you go to school. Very, very. How is school? I saw you went there and then you came back.
Man, that place is very unique. Yeah, it's very sweet.
And then, if it's sweet, are you comfortable with it over there at
It
school?
is very comfortable.
Okay.
It's almost like Mombasa.
It's like Mombasa
Yeah.
because it has a lake.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Not because it has a lake, because it is very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is also very beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Continue the work. We came just to check on how everything is, and we are happy to see the work is doing good.
Oh, the work is good.
Yes. Uko penye kuna miti kwa kichea utapa clean vizuri because I love to sit there. Hata nitagombeza. Oh guys, you see now what happened. These people trespassed here. Utaikaza sasa aje hii sasa nitarudi. They trespassed and came in, so they just make this thing weak over here. And I told you guys, people have been harvesting and they have been doing what we call like preparing their lands. You see, like our neighbor here is preparing a land over here. Guys, my guys, I'm so happy. I planted here some soursops a long time ago, and I'm seeing the soursops have grown. You know, there's some soursops here. So I want to just clean this area very well. Wow. Do you see these guys? Let me show you. Unaona?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there are this one soursop here. So sijui utaleta nini uipandie. There's this one soursop. There's this a soursop, guys. And also, oh my god, let me just clean this place. And also there's another one over here. You see this also is a soursop. A seedling of a soursop. Another one is here. Some are here still not yet. Unaona kama hii. This one over here. It's not yet. It has actually, oh, it's struggling to grow. Let me plant it here. So the Vicinia, there's a lot of soursops here. I think now you just clean here and make it comfortable for them to grow. I'm very much happy. Do you know soursop? It's very sweet.
Yes, I know.
So we have two soursops here. There's another one that I put them there. Let me go check if they are there. So take good care of them, bro. Let me check over here. Where, guys? Now it's a blessing. If my land can produce soursop, you know how hard is it for a soursop to grow? They used to be here. I don't know why. There are a lot of animals. I used to plant another soursop here. Wow. I think also I'll do some cleaning of. Wow. There's another one inside here. I put some soursops in here. I don't know why there are a lot of these animals down here. Wow. Also we have some hardcores here. Some lot of sand. And my wife loves to sit here. She loves to sit here on this end. Wherever she comes, her best spot is here. Minhawi, I'm going to miss you.
I know.
I'm going to miss you.
I miss you too.
I don't know who you'll be coming with here to sit with the year of the land.
I'll come alone.
You'll
I'll
come
be coming
alone.
Yeah.
But whenever you have a friend, just come and chill. This is a very nice chilling spot. What do you think? Are you proud of yourself?
Very proud of myself.
Are you proud of your husband?
Very proud of you.
Mm-hmm.
All the achievements we've made so far.
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
It's been
We're destined for greatness. And I
destined
pray
for.
that you travel safely and come back safely.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Feeling so bad.
Ooh,
All right, guys. This is it. How everything is around here. So from here, we'll be taking you back home, and we see what's going on around. All right. Oh, guys, my guys, there's a lot of things happening. We are back at home, and actually, we are in the kitchen, and we are here with our amazing house manager, Diana. Hey, Diana. Diana has been so amazing with us over here, guys. Diana,
Yes,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're good?
Yes.
Yes. What are you preparing, Diana,
I'm
today?
preparing these ripe bananas.
Ripe bananas, chopping,
Yes.
chopping. With what?
As you can see,
There's a lot
our
of
pilau is
food.
ready. ready.
Hey, everywhere is food. Well, guys. Today I'm having some guests. I'm having some friends. Actually, we have been communicating with them every single day online, and also they came in the village, and also it's like a good moment for me to share with them something that, because their first time on this house, and I'm welcoming you all, guys, to share with us, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. So let me go out. I've been told that they are already there, and before we go there, we are also with a new guest. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm fine.
You
Claude.
good?
Yes.
Introduce
This
yourself.
is Lynn Afros.
Yes.
You can check me out on YouTube as
Yes.
Lynn Afros.
Yes.
If you're from Claude Joseph,
Yes.
please remember to subscribe.
Yes.
And if you're new here,
Yes.
please do subscribe to Claude Joseph as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you for having me in your house.
You're welcome.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
And also we went for the boy from school. Hi, how are you? You good? Happy to be back home? Yes. All right. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. You good?
I'm good, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
So there's some guests. Let me just check them. All right. I've arranged the house.
No, it will be that before you record outside because I know they want to. There are many of them.
It's brighter. It's bright.
Yeah.
It's bright. Huh? All right, guys. Oh my God. There's Sesenkant. Where is Sesenkant? Hey. Ni nini na bibi jamani? Nani anachokoza bibi? Who is disturbing bibi? Hey guys, we are here with some friends. Hey man, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey man, there's cool and you are you are very
Very cool, huh?
very cool. Hi man, this is Freestyle Shaban.
I am here, brother.
All right man, we are here today.
visit
We are
you.
here with the real director.
Yes, sir.
Saban. No, not Saban. Saleh. Saleh Real King. And also we are here with
Be a fact.
Bia Feti.
Yeah.
Welcome, bro.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So now introduce yourself. One.
Hello guys, your family. It's our boy Peaceboy over here, Peaceboy Official guys.
Yes.
Please consider subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Our boy Peaceboy Official. Road to success.
Yes.
I'm so happy again. I'm so happy guys to be on this camera. Thank you so much, Joseph, for
Yes.
this opportunity.
Actually.
guys. I love you so much.
This is not his very first time being here. This is
Yeah.
maybe the second, the third, the fourth.
Yeah.
Yeah, because last time during the party he was here and we were with him. Though we were so busy, he was so busy with see how he can record his music.
Yeah.
So welcome again, man. And
welcome,
also this is his very first time.
Yeah,
Even-
first time
the ball
here
the
on
big
this-
boy.
This scale
Of CJ.
of CJ
Yeah.
himself, guys. I'm
Yes.
so much happy to be
Yes,
here.
absolutely.
Yeah, actually, guys.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, I'm also a content creator.
Yes.
I do make film, short film,
Absolutely.
documentary,
Yes.
and so many things.
Yeah, guys. You know, Saleh Real King. We have been communicating with him since long time ago. We have been talking and encouraging him, man, come this side. You can just come this side. But finally,
I
through
made
the
it,
grace of God, he's over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the blood of God.
And blood of God.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yes.
And to CJ's channel.
Yes.
I would appreciate so much.
Yes.
You can check me out at Saleh Real King. My YouTube channel is called Saleh Real King.
Saleh Real King.
Yeah.
Do you love this place?
It's fantastic.
We can't wait to make some more movies.
It's fantastic.
He's a techno. You can say him a tech
Filmmaker.
filmmaker, and a lot of stuff going around here. And also I'm with Hey, be afraid.
Direct time.
Hello,
This guy will grow big. You will see him, like guys, you see, he will really grow big.
Big man.
Yeah, big man. He
And
looks
he-
like an American, you know, those black Americans.
Yeah.
And he's a good driver, by the way.
Oh, he's a good driver.
Yes.
He's the one who brought us here, 4 people.
Hey.
On one motorbike.
He has American height, man. Introduce yourself, bro.
Okay, hi guys. I'm B Yafeti.
Yes.
Direct, yeah. Not the director. Guys, I'm not director.
He's the guy who like.
I'm a content creator.
Okay.
Also an actor.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm B Yafeti. Also I'm a content creator.
Yes.
And search me on the YouTube. I'm B Yafeti and subscribe. And I'm very happy to
Yes.
be on this camera.
Absolutely.
Uh,
And also, I'm here with our brother here.
Yeah, Freestar.
Freestar
Shaban.
Shaban.
I don't have many more.
Yeah.
Why smiling? Why smiling?
You don't
guys?
have many more.
I don't have many more, but I love you so much, guys.
Yes.
And my YouTube channel, subscribe there.
Yes.
Freestar Shaban.
Yes.
And may God bless you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.
You're all welcomed in, man.
Thank you.
You're waiting for BT? But come, welcome in. Yeah, welcome in. No, you don't have many more. No many more. Just welcome in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nataka kwenda kuonesha basketi size. Okay. Welcome. Yes.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Yes.
So this is a guitar.
Yeah, it's my small
I like
ukulele.
this.
It's a small ukulele, but they have cut it. I'll just
cut it.
try to fix it.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
I'm fundi.
Yeah. Minhab. Yes. These are my friends and brothers also.
Okay.
I know you have seen them.
I've seen them.
Yes.
Look at how he's holding them.
You're very cool. You know that is respect.
Respect.
Like you see, like
respect.
yeah.
We are used to all people.
Yeah.
Teaching all
To call it respect.
Yeah.
So we greet them with 2 hands.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome and feel at home, feel free. And let's wait now to throw up the big party. Okay. All right. Hey guys, it has been raining dogs and cats. When I say rain, Anyaje, uko poa? It has been raining dogs and cats around here, and I'm like, oh my god, everything is nice, but rain is just a blessing. So it's very cold right now in the village, and you have seen there's no maize. It's a harvesting season, as you see. So they have harvested now. They are preparing land again for what we call like new planting again season. So yeah, let's get back in the house. I'm having some visitors. They're just friends, or like I can't call them my family members because we have been chatting with them, talking with them always online. Oh man, it's very nice. Just having this once in a while, it's good, it's okay. So yeah, we want to have something, have chit chat, we have something to share. I and my wife, we said okay, it's okay, let's have it before maybe I travel out of my home. So keep on crossing fingers for me, pray for me, and always. So yeah, you see there's some shoes here, so also may I leave my shoes here. All right, cool music inside here, eh? And this guy loves music, eh? Hey,
you see that?
hey, that's his
fraud.
This guy, eh? Hey, young man. And now
Hey, that is the way to go.
we'll be given a very big copyright here.
Yeah.
Sesenkant,
Sakalanta.
Sakalanta,
No, this is a Senkanta
and
Sakalanta.
Sakalanta.
Eh? Mr. Cloud.
Joseph. Yeah, you call it Joseph. Claude Joseph.
Yes.
And today here guys, we are at our beautiful home here at our bulletproof house, and I'm so much happy to host Burundian traveler and the fellow with my brothers here, starting from the other side here, and also more content creators actually. So today I'm happy. Hey, Old Navy, my America.
You see, all the way from USA.
USA.
Guys, sometimes it's not to, things they are just showing themselves.
Imagine guys, this guy is already in 2025 and we are 2023. Oh, it's 2025.
I don't know what I could say.
Yeah, introduce
Hi
yourself.
guys, this is Mr. Burundian Traveler, or
Yes.
you can say BT.
The big boy, the big boy himself.
So today's video,
Yes,
I don't know what to say, but I got an invitation.
yes.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry because Diana Kemi was supposed to come also.
Yeah.
And Baby Carol.
Yeah.
But Diana Kemi was not feeling well, and Baby Carol was somehow busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how it happens.
Yeah.
So I had to come alone, man.
Oh man.
With my crew.
With the crew, the
Yeah,
big
you know,
crew.
there is a big crew here.
The crew say yeah.
Yeah. They are aware.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
guys, kindly show love to my brother, Mr.
Yeah.
Claude Joseph.
Absolutely.
Actually, this is one of my biggest bro over here.
Absolutely, guys.
And who like anything can happen. The first learn is from him.
Absolutely.
And he have a lot of actual experience on YouTube. I think more than me even sometimes.
Somehow, but we share the same
somehow.
experience.
But we almost actually the same because we are almost the same old on YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
Same age, I think. on YouTube.
Yeah. So we've been also traveling together.
Yes.
And maybe if you need us to travel again,
Yes.
you
Comment
can comment there. Tell us.
Tell us, do you want us to travel again?
Yeah. Do you want us like that unit of
Yeah.
traveling together like this maybe
Yeah.
to try it again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want us to travel again,
Yeah.
just hit yes number one.
Do one, and me I will be there and say yes.
And if
Of
you
course,
want, if you don't want us to travel again, say 2.
Maybe 0.
Yeah, maybe 0.
Just write 0.
Absolutely.
From down to
Yes, to up.
yeah, we will
Yeah.
need that one actually.
Absolutely.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
oh,
Hey, there's some greetings. Hi, how are you? Yeah. So.
if something that like that you will see it.
Yes.
Me I will be sitting somewhere like this.
Yes.
Look at this. I will do like don't worry.
You drove 4.
My leg have a problem.
You have a
So I touched it with a
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So guys,
Yes.
it's time to eat.
Uh-huh.
It's self-service.
It's self-service. You just tap this way. Look this way. Listen.
Use that.
No, that way, and then you say, announcement, please. Hi, crew. Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, we
So
are in
it's
an airplane now.
Yeah, just imitate that. You're on a plane. You have been on planes. Say it.
English is hard.
You just say, hi guys, good morning. We're just boarding 747 flight to
This guy
Just saying it. Just an imitation. Okay, listen. Okay. Good evening, guys. We are Boeing 747. And now we are flying at the height of 76,000 degrees. So for now we are here and it's time for food. Just guess. Ding dong. Alright guys.
As I miss it.
It's time for food. We are missing that. Yeah?
Okay, let's check for you a music.
Okay, and also we are here with True Boy.
Yes, brother.
208,
Yeah, I
the
know.
Polo Man, the True Band, Stedler, and Juma, all sorts of names.
Yeah,
It's
man.
for you. How are you?
I'm so fine.
Hey, you look good. You look
thank
nice,
you.
man.
I'm not-
Polo.
You know, this is the normal look of my normal look.
Of a boy or a man.
Yeah, these are normal jeans. These are Mtumba one, you know. Second hand clothes.
Yes.
You know.
On the event.
Yes, guys, welcome again to Mr. Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Here we are at what's the name of this house? You would have already named it.
Bulletproof is enough.
Oh, bulletproof. We are under bulletproof house.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Yes.
And we thank God for this opportunity because we have gathered here.
Yes.
We want to celebrate as a family.
Yes.
You know. So thank you so much. This is Mr. Trueboy 208.
Yes.
Please subscribe to my channel. Road to 2K. Subscribers. This is the guy who inspired me a lot, and the one who was pushing me.
Yes.
With these gentlemen over here.
Over
you
here.
know.
Yeah.
You know, they are my fathers. They are my fathers.
We are young, man.
Who is your big father?
The big father.
We need the no, it's this one because it's
The big father is this one. Now this is stepfather. You know.
Okay, there's this way. In Swahili we say kuna baba mzazi na baba mlezi.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying stepfather.
Oh, stepfather.
Yeah,
So it's
stepfather.
baba mlezi,
Yeah,
baba mzazi.
Yeah, biological father. Yeah.
And a stepdad.
No,
Very nice.
They don't know why I'm saying that.
Yes.
When I was starting a YouTube channel,
Yes.
we started with
My boys.
Yes.
We
Yeah.
started with
They said sorry, I'm sorry.
Yes.
They said self-service.
Self-service.
And my boys here, no one had never attended in self-service. So when you say something like that, they will say like what?
Let them relax and
I think I'm supposed to show this guy.
That's BT. Yeah.
So the reason I was saying that CG is my biological father is because
On YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube. Not the real. Hey.
I'm trying to tell my boys over here.
Yeah, waambie kila mtu anajipakulia kulingana.
Kitu inaitwa self-service.
Yes. Everybody just kila mtu na kulingana kwake. Hey, beat. Mr. DJI. Mr. Drone.
Everyone have to stand like this. And then you go where there is plates.
You avail yourself.
Like this. You got me?
You avail yourself here and you eat.
And then you try to check what's going on. Look at this. You boy. My brother.
Yes, that's the comedian BT sometimes. Over here.
Look at this. Look at this. You see, guys, they started to fight like you were the one who's supposed to start. No, I'm the one who, I'm showing you guys. Don't worry, I'm showing you. Then you come, okay?
My boys. Hey, very nice.
This one like this. You do it like this. You check what is there. Oh, there is some rice.
You go up again, you see?
You go again. If there is another plate, okay? You got me? You do like this. You check.
Rice.
Oh, they are the same. Okay? Is it pilau anyway? Pilau.
Is there anybody who don't take pilau? That big silence.
They look like they don't know you. Oh, this one is a very good food.
Yes.
I will show you, don't you? This one.
Oh, this one doesn't take pilau. Hey, Yafet.
Don't take
We cook ugali.
Guys, can you check?
50-50. Okay.
All of you have to check me, guys.
Yes.
This guy, if they say they don't eat, they are telling you like, I'm the pro.
Oh, okay. Oh, Manu, you are here. Introduce yourself. Hey,
Yeah,
guys.
what's up, guys?
Yes.
Come back.
Have you closed school first?
No.
Up to when?
Up to Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay, introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Guys, please subscribe there. His road to 1K, not 1K. His road to 30K subscribers, guys. Please, even me, I'm road to 1K subscribers. Please check me out. Yeah, if you're from my end, go and subscribe to Claude Joseph.
Yes.
If you're from Claude Joseph's
Show
end,
them your channel. Show them your channel, guys. This is my young brother. He's our last one here on YouTube. Kindly, you can check him out on YouTube by the name Manu Claude, and I really appreciate your love and support. I really appreciate your love and support. So this is his channel at Manu. Oh my God, Manu Claude. He's at 602. Please, guys, you can take him to 1K subscribers. He's a very young boy who pushes himself. I really appreciate. Look at his channel. He's doing good and very great. He's pushing really himself. You know, yeah.
Take one. She's asking you to rest the food.
All right, bro. Thank you, man. Welcome and enjoy.
What is the language you're talking about? So we take this.
Hey, Juma. You want to put food down?
I'm not putting.
True boy.
Yeah, true boys.
Hey, true boy. Now you take your
A
spoon.
spoon you can choose actually. If you need to take like goldish, as
Or you
golden,
take silver.
golden people, you can take this one.
Yeah. Okay. There's also soda. Okay.
And you know me with the food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Danny. And also, sorry guys, if you want to wash hands, because you're also like me who love to eat with hands.
Yeah.
There's
Or
a
maybe
tap here.
Muslim,
There's
you
a
know?
tap outside here.
Or
You
maybe
wash.
Muslim. This one is a Muslim.
Yes. Yes.
And that guy.
Okay. Very nice.
His name is Saleh.
Yes.
You know Salah.
Yeah,
All the way
Salah.
from
I know the other side.
Allah.
Yeah.
Allah.
Yes. So. Oh, next. Imagine, guys, they fear food. Imagine. You can imagine.
Actually, it's the first time to do this.
It's
For saving yourself.
It's our small buffet. We call it.
And most time we had a like experience of eating together like that.
Oh yeah. Or we could bring a big saucepan. We pour down. We eat.
And tell them to not.
No,
to
now
not
it's
fear.
okay.
No, they have to try all the kind of lifestyle.
Yeah.
So that they can experience.
Oh yeah.
You know this one gonna open someone's eyes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, even me, I was like that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember even in the hotel. I'll give you a story, guys. Some days about me and brilliant travel. I used to fear going to the buffet in the hotel when we used to. So he was like, Claude, go serve for me. Go serve for me.
Like, bring for me that one.
And I told him, what if some days I'll be...
He said, bring for me a soda. Bring for Mundo's food. So we never wanted, actually, he was fearing more.
Yeah.
But for me, it took so long, actually.
For sure.
Sometimes I have even money, but I cannot go actually to bring food or maybe to ask for food. Yeah. But you know, as days goes, you learn.
Yeah. Diana, we have our own Diana here.
I was shocked, guys. I thought
look at this guy. We have our own Diana here.
I was confused.
Okay. Alright guys, let's enjoy and we see. Alright. Oh, musician, stand up. Musician. There is a stage. Oh, musician here. Show us your channel, musician. Yeah. Hey, young man.
Go and check me out.
Peace Boy Official, guys. BT over here, you know him very well. He's well known as also.
Otherwise, you're celebrating over here. Cheers first. Celebrate. Cheers, guys.
Hey, you know me, sometimes I get too much excited until people think I'm drunk.
If you want me to see me drunker, put music.
Hey,
I can even remove my.
you can remove your clothes. Are you enjoying, guys? Very nice. Hey.
We enjoy a lot.
Celebrate every single day of life. All right.
Why you dancing?
DJ. DJ. Yes. In the mountain.
We have dancers here. Hey. Just down. Come on, stay. Yeah. Next. Someone sleeping. Like this. Yeah.
property. Ajasawana ima property. Ajasawana ima property. My sister. My sister.
Look at this. Hey. Like this. Wait. How do we start?
Yes! Juma, come stand here, it's me!
Yo, what's up, bro? Another side. Yeah.
I won't show you this one. This one, only this one. Be there.
Wait. Soldier boy. Yes. Hey. Yes. Look at this. Hey. Yeah. Okay, all of us. Celebrate. Mommy, oh, daddy, oh. Yeah. Shake your Shake you what, huh? Oh, go gaga. Hey. Guys. We celebrate. We celebrate.
All right, guys.
Yes. Yeah. Guys, make some noise. Make some noise for Mr. Peace Boy.
Yeah.
Guys, we forgotten even to eat. Yeah.
Don't forget this. Jesus is able.
Yeah. Absolutely. Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey, this boy. Where is the other music?
There are lots. Let me show you. Hey, there is this one.
Wake up.
Hey, wake up. You have to wake up. You are sleeping.
Oh, you're sleeping.
Yeah. Hey. This one you have to wake up. I'm telling you. Network.
No. Who is that?
Who is doing that? What is wrong with him? We celebrate, guys, you know?
Who is that? Wake up. Hey, no.
Wake up now. Wake up in the morning.
Wake up in the morning. Wake up now.
Don't mind.
The network will behave like that. My network is disappointing, but hope you are enjoying very nice.
You know, in every party, must have a music at least. That's one.
Hey, like it that. Where's the camera, my friend?
We go feel alive. Let's celebrate while we still alive. Power issue, man. Why? Because my dance you are passing around.
Why?
Or it's token.
If it's a token, I'm gonna pay.
Yeah.
That's someone.
You know, we want sweat.
My father made that. Who is that father made that? Alright, guys, let's celebrate, okay? Alright.
I am Marwa. I was fighting. But anything, I'll give you one chance. Give you why the traveler. Woo!
Acha Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Ghana, Italy, USA, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, Kote, all over the world, all over the world, show love. 1, 2, 3, we will run down. Half a million, we can show love. 1, 2, 3, we will run down. 1, 2, 3, we will run down. 1, 2, 3, we will run down. What is this? Listen this. I am Marwa. Commando. Travel commando. Travel commando. Travel commando. Travel commando.
Hi guys.
Our man on YouTube. I'm so supportive.
Mnataka nini? What do you want, guys?
What do you say?
Mnataka nini? Wanasema nini?
We have MC Shabani. MC Shabani already. I'm here, guys. Yes. So today I'm here to introduce, to represent the Mr. Peace Boy. Peace Boy, okay? So today I'm happy, by the way. Yes. So Peace Boy, say something, guys.
Also, guys, I hope you enjoy the song, guys.
Yes.
I hope you enjoy the song, guys.
Yes.
I'm gonna be your friend.
I have one question.
MC.
This is
MC Baba.
What meaning of this song? Listen well.
I feel my heart inside.
Hey.
I never gonna wanakwenda kuniona kiwa hivi sasa sina do nataka na mwizi inauma roho tekilize mbona ni wewe hivi I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be alright.
Tell her,
I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay.
You wanna be okay? I am Marwa. You wanna be okay? Okay.
You wanna be okay?
Listen well.
I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be alright. I'm gonna be what mama say.
Oh.
Enjoy your music.
Hey.
I don't understand no love this.
You say?
I know how to live. Mama, wait for my dancing.
Yeah.
I'm never need to. Mama,
Listen.
mama,
Enjoy your music.
japokuwa maumivu. Moyo wangu una wivu. Nikose mtala minu. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be alright.
Hey. I am here. MC Mr. Shabani. Yeah. Enjoy your music, jamani. Enjoy your music. Enjoy your music. Ati, listen. And enjoy your music, you guys. Yeah. I am here, MC Mr. Shabani. Yeah.
Alright.
Was magic.
Guys, we have danced, we have enjoyed. That's the best way, and everybody's sweating. We have gifted our body the best exercise ever by dancing and having best meal with us over here.
Yeah.
So everybody's having nice. So starting from Mr. Sasenkanta.
Mr. Sasenkanta.
Sasenkanta, Sakalanta.
Burundian traveler.
Yes. Yes.
So today,
Yes.
I'm confused. But you remember,
Yes.
I'm enjoying. Actually, it was an amazing moment.
Yes.
And we still actually.
Yes.
We still.
Until late night.
Yeah, we just give you a chance.
Mpaka usiku wa manane.
Guys, you wait until you see. So, Mr. Burundian Traveler was an amazing moment actually. Mr. Claude Joseph, thank you so much, my brother.
Yes.
I really appreciate.
Yes.
For organize this one actually for us.
Yes.
You know this one made for us, like
For sure.
Yeah, and may God bless you a lot.
Be blessed,
I can't
bro.
wait to also to do something like this.
Yeah,
you know,
for
you have
sure.
music over there.
For sure.
And we can, do just a small part.
Yeah,
This was a
for
part
sure.
anyway
Yeah.
for the people who.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wish all the people who are actually with us could be around.
Yes.
Because it was amazing.
Yeah, for
Look
sure.
at my voice, guys.
Yeah? Look at my face.
I could kill a lot. I could kill a lot. Yeah. And then we have the whole crew.
Yeah, whole
everyone
crew.
can talk.
Yeah. Let's go that to True Boy.
Guys, Peace Boy
Peace
over
Boy.
here. Peace Boy official guys really having the best moment ever. Even my sound because of the performance. You know, guys, we
Make sure you drink a lot of water.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll do that. I don't have much to say.
Yes.
I just say we enjoy actually a lot, and we really appreciate it. Thank you so much for organizing this.
You're welcome, brother.
Yeah.
Also, we are with True Boy. Yeah, man, this is True Boy over here. Yes. We are at under bulletproof house. Yes. That's how it is. No bullet can penetrate. Even now, if you come with your gun, when we raise it, they will come for us. They will not reach us here. We have to enjoy till tomorrow. Thank you so much, Mr. CJ, for hosting us over here. Yes. We appreciate you always. Yes. You've been real. Yes. And we appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
So please, guys, this is Mr. True Boy once again. Yes. Please subscribe. Round to 2K subscribers.
Yes.
I love you all.
All right, man.
Yeah,
Thank you.
This is our brother.
Yeah. Also, we have Bia Feti.
Okay, guys, this is Bia Feti, and
Yes.
I have already enjoyed here.
Yes.
Dancing with you.
Absolutely, yeah.
You know,
Feel at home, feel home.
I was
we are the cameraman behind.
Oh, you interfering between my interview.
So guys, really enjoy, and I want to say thank you.
Yes.
CJ.
You're welcome, brother. Feel at home, feel free, enjoy. Yes.
You guys.
Also, we're here with Saleh.
Yeah, it was amazing to see some dance move of CJ and BT. and the whole crew here. CJ was doing some crazy move. I don't know the name of those dance. BT.
What was BT doing?
Local dance.
Mine is not local.
BT was performing.
I had a strong performance.
And he's the one who has sweat more than anyone.
Yeah, because I know moves, guys.
Very hard,
Yeah, very hard.
It is someone
As someone who are working for 10 billion.
It is someone of plus. Performing,
very well.
Yeah, me too. I really enjoy seeing these guys.
Yes.
Seeing you again, guys. So
yeah.
So much.
Also, we are with Daniel.
Okay, guys.
The one.
Welcome to
Claude Joseph.
home. We enjoy you see guys. I am sweating. Hey, it's amazing.
Yes.
We eat, we enjoy, and then we want to
Tell
go
them.
back home.
All right. Thank you for coming. Also with
Oh, guys, hi.
Yes.
I'm come back again, guys. So today I'm here to Claude Joseph.
Yes.
So guys, today I am acting like an
MC.
Like MC.
Yes.
So, but my channel YouTube is Freestyle Shaban. Don't forget that.
Yeah.
So there, subscribe, share, comment, guys, and like. And the sweet comment I need from you guys.
Yes.
So today I am happy because Jesus is everything.
Absolutely.
Listen to this, guys.
Yes.
Listen this.
Yes.
I love you, the man of Galilee.
Yes.
I love the man of Galilee.
Hey.
For he has forgiven all my sins and he sent the Holy Ghost to me. I love the man of Galilee. I love you all, guys, and I love you. You said?
Minhawi was shocked. Minhawi.
So thank you, guys.
Yes.
Where this voice is coming from?
Yes. Hey. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Who else am I leaving outside? Manu. Yes, Minhawi will conclude as the lady of the house. So Manu Cloud, you wanna say hi? Yes. Okay. Okay. Hey, okay. Thank you so much for preparing something nice for us. Be blessed. Our house manager. And also the lady of the house. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for allowing us in our house.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes.
Like they're your friends.
Yes.
They're your people.
Yes.
So it's totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
You enjoyed?
Yes, you did.
You enjoyed?
Yeah, you look at how you're sweating.
I'm
You really
sweating.
danced.
Yeah.
So it's been amazing to have them around.
Yes.
Yeah, and they are welcome again.
For sure. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed always. She's on the road to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Be blessed all, and let's say bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Say bye. Bye. Okay, let's continue.